Quick option trade is an easy to use feature to place trades efficiently and intelligently. If you are an option trader, trading Nifty and Bank Nifty becomes super easy using this feature. To use quick option trade, log into 5paisa mobile application, navigate to Ideas tab and select Derivatives. As you can see, there are two sliders here for Nifty and for Bank Nifty. Let's say you are bullish on Nifty, so tap on the slider and slide it in the direction accordingly. After sliding, you will see three bullish ideas that can be placed for Nifty. In each idea, you will find current market price, entry price, exit price, stop loss price, expected profit, and expected loss. If you wish to change the rules, then on the top right corner, you will see Customize option where you can customize the rules for exit and stop loss. Now select the idea you find best suitable according to your strategy. Select the quantity you want to trade and click on Trade Now. Modify the order form according to your need and press Buy. Post confirmation, you will have a bullish position on Nifty. Now you know how easy option trading is. Log in the app to try it now.